Welcome to week 11 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL picks, and then I use those 3 picks on a parlay. I pick the teams that I think are most likely to win regardless of odds, and the best thing about this is that there's zero investment involved. So if you want to make NFL predictions and earn some free Bitcoin, please use the Ember app that I've linked in the description. And so far, I'm 25 and 15. I've won $186.26 and I've lost $77.25. My first pick is the New England Patriots over the New York Jets. This is a home game for the Patriots where they're really tough to beat. Their quarterback Drake May is an MVP candidate so far, and the Jets have been more down and up so far this year. And while this one might be close, I don't think the Jets have a chance to beat a team that's 8-2. Next is the Buffalo Bills over the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, Tampa Bay is actually pretty good this year, but Buffalo always comes back after a down week, and at home, I think they take this game. And for my last pick of the week, I'm taking the Baltimore Ravens over the Cleveland Browns. Dillon Gabriel, the quarterback for the Browns, has looked really bad, and I feel like he's going to be benched soon, and I feel like this is just going to be a big blowout with, completely different size of quarterback play. You have Lamar Jackson, who's great, and you have Dillon Gabriel, who might be the worst in the league as a starter. Meaning I have a parlay of the Patriots, Bills, and Ravens, risking 5,000 sats to win 8,519. And I'll be back next week with updated stats and new picks for everybody. See you then.